Hi everyone and welcome to Easy Learning. Today I will be covering a very specific topic, a very important topic, which is how you can become a behavior therapist in Pakistan, or you can say in other countries as well. We basically get into this loop that if we will do BS or if we will do MS or if we will do PhD or something, we will get to be a therapist. I took a lot of time in researching and finding out how to become a psychotherapist, how to become a behavior therapist, how to be a therapist. Similar question is that which category, which field should we choose for MS in order to become a behavior therapist. So the thing is, you don't have to choose any specific category. You don't have to choose any specific field of MS to become a behavior therapist. In fact, if you want to be a behavior therapist, you don't even have to do MS at all. You can be a behavior therapist without it. However, if you want to upgrade your career further, if you want to elevate your qualifications, then you can go for MS. Now, to become a behavior therapist, kindly note that there are three main authentic, credible, and internationally acknowledged boards. These are BACB, QABA, IBAO. So basically each of these offers some credentials that you can do to become a behavior therapist. If you simply want to become a behavior therapist, you can go for RBT by BACB, ABAT by QABA board, IBT by IBAO board. So the thing is that BACB board allows its credentials for few countries only. These are United States, Canada, Australia and United Kingdom. So if you are residing in any of these four countries, you can go for BACB board. You can go for the credentials by BACB board, including the RBT. However, if you are residing in any other countries, you cannot apply for BACB board. You can go for QABA board or IBAO board. Now, which one is better? The thing is that QABA board is the second largest board for ABA and the third one is IBAO. So you can say that the QABA board credentials have more scope over the IBAO board. Now, what if you have already done IBT from IBAO board? The thing is, you can go for the second level of ABA therapy or the third level of ABA therapy from the QABA board. So you can shift from one board to another anytime and you can go for the next level of ABA therapy in that. Towards the main topic of this video, which is how to become a behavior therapist. The thing is, all you have to do is RBT, ABAT or IBT and you can join any organization as behavior therapist. RBT stands for Registered Behavior Technician, ABAT stands for Applied Behavior Analysis Technician and IBT stands for International Behavior Therapist. So by the name of these credentials, you can get the idea that you can work as behavior therapist with these certifications. Now, how to do ABAT, RBT or IBT? You will need training first, which is of 40 hours. Then you need supervision for your fieldwork hours. Fieldwork hours are what they are: practical experience of working with people and applying ABA concepts in reality. So the thing is, you cannot have training from any person. You need to get training from registered behavior analyst and you need to get supervision from them as well. So training and supervision covers only the eligibility of the paper of the exam. Then you need to give the exam of these credentials and if you pass it, you will become a behavior therapist. Where to get the trainings? Basically, these trainings are offered by many behavior analysts throughout the year. You can check for the behavior analyst available in your country, available as per your access. You can contact them and you can ask for training. There are many organizations offering online training as well, so you can get these online. Then for the supervision part, you need to provide forms of supervision mentioning that you have completed the fieldwork hours. These are hardly of 15 hours or anywhere near to it. So you need to provide the proof by mentioning your working in fieldwork hours form that will be provided by your supervisor. You have covered the training part, you have covered the supervision part, you have covered the fieldwork hours part. now you are eligible to give the exams by these boards. And for exams, you need to make account on any of these boards for whatever you are going for. If you are going for a BAT from QABA board, you need to go to the official website of QABA board. You have to make account there, and then you have to apply for a BAT exam. They will basically ask about your qualification, your information, and they will ask for the proof of training which will be provided by your supervisor, and for the proof of supervision as well, again that will be provided by your supervisor. And once you have completed all the requirements of making a profile and applying for the exam, you will be required to schedule your exam. You can schedule it at any time of the day, any time of the week, any time of the month. You can choose it as per your ease. And then once you have given the exam, which consists of MCQs, once you pass that, you will become the behavior therapist, you will become the ABA technician, and you can apply for job at any center, you can apply for job at any organization, and you can work as a behavior therapist. You can officially work as a behavior therapist. These credentials allows you to become one. I have covered a whole playlist of a BAT exam preparation series, so you can prepare for your exams from that. I'll be sharing the videos of how to apply for these exams. Stay connected to Easy Learning if you want to know how to apply for the exam, how to schedule your exam, how to make account, and all. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.